VJ Borescopes is the leading provider of articulating video borescopes in North America. Now VJ's Borescope Report Maker program easily facilitates and generates a Microsoft Word document featuring the saved images from your VJ-4 inspections. This tutorial will take you step by step from downloading the software to saving your Borescope Report Maker report, flagging images, adding comments, and processing image flags. Before we begin, this is a Windows-based program and is not compatible with Mac operating systems. It will require that Microsoft Word already be installed on your computer. A helpful tip: with complex inspections, it is beneficial to build and organize your folder structure in a parent-child or folder-subfolder structure, like that displayed on the screen. Image folder directories can be created and renamed using the VJ-4 interface, or it may be easier to create the file structure on a computer and transfer the structure to the SD card, then insert the SD card into the SD card slot on the VJ-4. First, to begin downloading the Borescope Report Maker program, click the link provided to open the install browser. Then select Install for the application download to launch, followed by clicking Install to begin downloading. Once the Borescope Report Maker program has finished installing, copy and paste or enter the 37-character license key that was provided by your VJ Borescope representative. Be sure to include the 4 hyphens and then click Continue. A shortcut to launch the Borescope Report Maker program will be available on the computer's desktop. When first opened, the Borescope Report Maker program allows users to select from 2 options: Generate New Report or Process Existing Report. We will start by selecting Generate New Report. First, populate the inspection and inspector details. If desired, Watermark Settings display an image or text on the lower left corner of each page of the report. Select the Watermark Type, upload an image, or type the desired text. Then select the font size, along with transparency level, and select Save. Prior to selecting the images folder location, all folders and images from the Borescope Report Maker should be transferred from the SD card to your computer, or by removing the SD card from the Borescope and inserting it into the computer. Next, locate the Images folder and select Browse. Highlight the folder and select Folder. Save Report As will require you to locate the file where the Borescope inspection report will be saved, and put the desired file name and click Save. After all the information has been populated, select Start Job to generate the initial report. A dialog box will appear stating Report Generated Successfully. After selecting OK, the Borescope report will generate and open in a Microsoft Word document. Following the cover page, the inspection summary displays 3 columns: folder, image count, and flagged images. The text of each folder name will display a blue hyperlink which directly links to the page containing that specific image when clicked. The second column will display the number of images, and after processing image flags, the final column will show the number of images that have been flagged. When reviewing your report, both images can be flagged and comments can be inserted. To flag an image, click the checkbox. To add comments, click and type the desired remarks. Reasons users may want to flag an image and include comments: to make note of defects or other areas of concern in an image, to point out questionable images that may require more investigation, to denote images showing excellent component condition or quality workmanship, to review the status and durability of a prior repair. After the initial report has been generated, the option is available to further process the report to exclude all non-flagged images, adding hyperlinks to each flagged image, or excluding all non-flagged images. When selecting Include Flagged Images Only, followed by Process Image Flags, a new Microsoft Word document will open and will exclude all non-flagged images from the report and inspection summary. The option is available to select Process Existing Report, locate the saved Borescope Report Maker file, and then process image flags, which will include all the original report inspection images. Finally, clicking back to Summary will return to the Borescope Report's inspection summary page. The best way to experience the new VJ-4 Video Borescope is with our free Enhance demo program. Call to speak with one of our knowledgeable Video Borescope experts and we will help find the best borescope for your inspection needs. You will quickly realize why VTech Borescopes is the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America.